In my quiet kitchen, I fixate on a solitary bulb of garlic. As I sit before these humble cloves, memories flood my mind, dishes woven together by the aromatic threads of garlic. And despite my familiarity, I sense untapped inspiration. Closing my eyes, I allow the savory scent to envelop me. I ponder the beauty of garlic, its ability to transform the mundane into the extraordinary. This bulb symbolizes not just a staple ingredient, but a key to endless possibilities. Suddenly, inspiration strikes like a culinary epiphany, envisioning a gastronomic masterpiece. I will embark on crafting the finest garlic bread ever conceived. Each detail will be meticulously considered. The buttery richness, the aromatic infusion, the perfect crunch of the crust. The result will not just be garlic bread. It'll be a masterpiece that transcends expectations. A creation born from the simple beauty of a single clove. Armed with this newfound inspiration, I have to have it, and I have to have it now. In the alchemy of artisanal baking, the journey of crafting a luxurious French baguette commences with the orchestration of 4 essential but yet humble ingredients. A quartet of flour, water, yeast, and salt, transforming into a golden masterpiece, the embodiment of French culinary artistry. This flour engages in a delicate dance with water, forming a perfect marriage of textures and flavors. The living essence of yeast enters, a magical catalyst, imparting its essence to the burgeoning dough. Guiding the symphony, my hands blend and mold, fostering a velvety dough destined for greatness. Time, a silent maestro, taking center stage, allowing the dough to ferment, mature, and evolve. The quartet of flour, water, yeast, and salt weaves an intricate tapestry of simplicity and sophistication. My senses now are intense. I feel the temperature of the dough through the palms of my hands. I feel the silkiness start to emerge from the gluten strengthening. How will I know when it's ready? Nerves set in as I say to myself, trust, trust, trust. You will know. Crafting a luxurious compound butter is a symphony of simplicity and sophistication. A luscious base of rich butter sets the stage for opulence, Vibrant chives, finely chopped, infuse a garden-fresh onion essence, while freshly minced garlic adds a fragrant depth, elevating the ensemble. A judicious pinch of salt, carefully chosen, harmonizes the flavors with a touch of refinement. These four elements intertwine in a culinary ballet, transforming a humble stick of butter into a decadent masterpiece. This compound butter embodies the essence of indulgence, where a handful of ingredients weave together in perfect harmony. This will be added to our French baguettes. Elevating a French baguette to a symphony of flavors involves a decadent fusion. The rich flavor of the compound butter, the mozzarella cheese will create a cascade of gooey, luxurious harmony, while the Parmesan cheese adds a sharp, salty crescendo. This trifecta transforms the baguette into a gourmet masterpiece, a sensory experience that marries crispness, creaminess, and complexity. Scoring a baguette is the prelude to baking perfection. With a steady, precise hand, I slash the dough surface, creating an elegant pattern. These scores allow the controlled expansion during baking, shaping the loaf and yielding a delicate interplay of crust and crumb. It's a culinary dance that defines the artistry of French baking. In this transformative fusion, an ordinary stick of butter turns into an extraordinary compound. The result is a culinary masterpiece, a decadent, flavor-infused compound butter that transcends the ordinary. Whether delicately melted over a succulent steak, lavishly spread on warm, artisanal bread, or incorporated into the most refined recipes, this creation is the epitome of gastronomic indulgence. The baking finished, I'm greeted by a symphony of golden perfection. My garlic butter French baguettes, freshly baked. Aromatic tendrils of garlic-infused warmth waft through the air, promising a medley of crispy crust and airy crumb. The sight is a visual feast, the crust adorned with the artisanal scars of proper scoring. It's a moment where culinary anticipation meets reality, and the chef beholds his edible artwork, a testament to craftsmanship and the alchemy of the oven. In my kitchen's twilight, I savor my creation. Immediately my mind drifts to dreams of soaking this bite in a beautiful bowl of zuppa toscana, an Italian sausage soup. The simmering richness and creamy allure, an aromatic dance of soup flavors that now overwhelms my senses. The dream unfolds. I have to have this soup, and I have to have it now.